What's up guys, it's Sava with SOS Kitchen, and today we're making Nutella cookies. When I made this recipe, I kind of wanted to combine the chewy richness of a brownie with one of my favorite things, which is Nutella, in cookie form. I taste tested them on a couple people and everyone loved them. They're super rich and Nutella-y, and they come together really easily. As always, you can find the recipe and ingredients in the description box below. But let's get started. To get started, combine softened butter and sugar in a large bowl or in the base of a stand mixer. Beat the butter and sugar together until it looks evenly combined, kind of like mashed potatoes. To be honest, I was making these cookies for a friend. I had run out of brown sugar and I was too lazy to go to the store, so I used all white sugar, and I think they turned out awesome. I think if you wanted a little bit more chewiness, you could also do like a half cup of white sugar and a quarter cup of brown sugar, and they would turn out great. Then add in your Nutella. Make sure you get all of it in since we don't want one drop going to waste. And add in some instant coffee powder. Stir it together until it looks delicious. Add in a pinch of salt along with 2 egg yolks and mix everything together. Then add in your baking powder, baking soda, and flour and stir until just barely combined. Using a spatula, scrape down your mixer and bowl. Stir in the chocolate chips until evenly incorporated. On a parchment-lined sheet tray, scoop out rounded tablespoonfuls of the dough. Once you have a full tray, put it in the freezer to chill for 10 to 15 minutes before you bake them. This will make it so your cookies don't spread too much. Bake at 350 for 9 to 11 minutes or until the edges of the cookies are set, but the middle is still really nice and soft. Let the cookies cool on the tray for 5 minutes and then remove them to a wire rack to cool completely. I decided to eat one at that point, but if you want to be fancy, go ahead and dust these with some powdered sugar. These cookies were so bomb. I was really excited about it because I just kind of threw the recipe together with what I had on hand. They come out so fudgy and chewy, and I just love them. I think you will too, so try them out today and let me know what you think. Thanks for cooking with me again. Bye.